Yes, good morning all. This is Pushpa, Assistant Professor in Department of Commerce and Management, working at Patel Institute of Science and Management and also the Research Head in Patel Group of Institutions. Today, I'm going to speak about the real role of technology in selection of higher education. It's about how the social medias are influencing the student to select the colleges. Education is very important in our life where it guides us like in the career and development, growth, all those things. And when it comes to the matter of higher education selection, students will be searching in online which is the most college and best college for their career development. Now, over the time, the selection criteria has been changed. Earlier, where students used to depend on the parents and they used to visit the colleges and then they used to get the details about the colleges, course, and then fees. But nowadays, it is completely based on the digital way. They'll be stepping into the platforms like social media, like Facebook, WhatsApp, or Twitter, and college website. They'll be stepping and they'll be getting the all details about the colleges, including the fee structure and atmosphere, the college campus, all those things. And the one main reason for all those things are due to the technology advancement. Higher education is very important and very good stage where the students can proceed with, where they have studied all the subjects normal, like as usual subjects will be learned. But when it comes to the higher education, where they'll be stepping into the specialization course, that is very crucial and initial stage where they will be choosing out. That choosing the colleges are and choosing the courses are very important to the students. Social media platforms, like first let me talk about the college website. See, the college websites are very important role where they will be getting all the informations like fees, admissions, all those things, and whatever the current events are going to be happen, it will be updated over there. Seeing all those things, students will get attracted and they will be getting the admissions. And one more thing, the social media, and when we come for the YouTubes and then Instagram, all those things, where the students will be checking towards the campus tour and they will get motivated, they will get inspired, and they'll get influenced on those things and they will be getting admissions. And here when we come for the social media, not only the YouTube and Instagram, nowadays the online reviews are very much important there, where after seeing the online reviews, like positive reviews, they get confidence, they will get the admissions over there. And when it comes to the students like senior reviews, literally they will get very much confidence and they will get the admissions. These are the very much influence components in the technology to get the admissions in the higher educations. Technology also saves the time, where it helps the students to check the details about the colleges through getting the counseling and webinars from the colleges, where they'll be giving you the complete details about the college and they will get into this. And there are some mobile apps where they'll be getting the information about the colleges and courses, all those things. Nowadays, the important one is artificial intelligence. Nowadays, the colleges have adopted the AI, where like artificial intelligence, where any questions or queries asked from the students, immediate response will be given. And one more thing, it leads to the hike of admissions. And whatever doubts they have, immediately they will talk to the AI, and then they'll be sending the messages in chatbot. The responses will be immediate and admission process will take little bit easier for the colleges. Now, technology has removed the geographical barrier, where even a student is in the local can study in international level. Like completely the geographical barrier is removed after the technology of advancements. However, technology has some barriers, some problems. That is, like when we get multiple online, like multiple colleges data and multiple promotions regarding the event, multiple academic things, where students will get confused, and compared to like a traditional way of selecting the colleges, online may mislead the students by giving the false data. Assume that the students will think that putting in online whatever data it has come from the colleges all true, and once they visited college and once they experience, the data will be like not matching. So this kind of issue will be faced in the technology. As I told you that too many information will lead to confusions. So that's the reason where the combination of digital and traditional, then only the perfect selection of college will happen. And here, where all the students won't get the internet facility and where all will get not like equal opportunities, we're considering this where few will be relying on their teachers and parents. In the future, the technology is going to be get AI, where the students will be getting the accurate data of selecting the colleges. And here I can tell you that in the future, even all the colleges will be very active in social medias like Instagram, YouTube, and college website. Day-to-day updates will be done based on that, where students can also be attracted and taken the admissions. Thank you.